When you begin your UPSC journey, you prepare for books, timetables, and mock tests, not for the wave of doubt that follows. Discouragement often comes uninvited, not just from friends or relatives, but even from strangers who have never seen your spark, yet feel entitled to dim it. Here are 10 common discouragements IAS aspirants face and how to respond to each with strength, silence, or success. No training, preparing from home? Not possible. They believe that without a big coaching institute, you can't clear it. The reality is that hundreds of toppers have prepared from home, using books, online classes, and test series. Self-study builds focus and independence, two key ingredients of UPSC success. What you need to do is silently prove them wrong. Let your answer sheet speak louder than any coaching brand. Not living in Delhi? You cannot. People equate Delhi with success, as if the location will write your answers. In fact, many toppers have cracked UPSC from villages, towns, and small cities using online tools, mock tests, and self-discipline. If somebody advises you, say nothing back. But every time you read a book, remind yourself, success has no PIN code. Studied in a government school? Not possible. They think English medium and elite schooling is a must. The fact is that UPSC gives equal footing to all. Many toppers from Hindi and other language mediums, as well as rural schools, have made it to the top ranks. Place your hand on your chest and vocally affirm, excellence is not about where you started, it's about where you're going. From a rural village? Not possible. They underestimate your access to resources. They have no idea how the internet has changed everything. Digital content, online mocks, and topper talks, you can now prepare from anywhere. Silently rise. Prove that ambition needs no city lights. Failed the prelims? You cannot win. One failure, and they declare your journey over. The reality is that many toppers failed multiple prelims before clearing all 3 stages. UPSC tests patience, not perfection. When somebody says this, smile and say, failure is just feedback. Then get back to work. Attempted multiple times? You'll never make it. People tie success to a number. But remember, some get it on their first try, others on their last. The attempt doesn't matter, the intensity does. Silently sharpen your focus. Your final attempt could be your finest. No political influence? You won't get selected. They imply the system is not fair. They don't realize that UPSC is one of the most transparent and respected exams in the country. Selection depends on merit, not connections. Firmly say, UPSC doesn't recognize influence, only integrity. Preparing along with your job? Not possible. They think it's too much to manage. But many aspirants clear the exam while working full-time. Smart time management, weekend tests, and night studies make it possible. Calmly say, I work for stability, but I prepare for transformation. Preparing alone? You won't stay motivated. They assume solitude means weakness. The reality is that solitude breeds self-awareness. A focused mind, a structured plan, and the will to persist are all you need. Silently turn your room into your war room, and your books into your best friends. The competition is too big, you're being unrealistic. They highlight the lacks of aspirants, not the few who believe. Yes, the competition is vast, but so is your potential. If it were impossible, no one would clear it. Smile and say, let the odds be what they are. I choose to rise anyway. Final word. Discouragement is a test. Every word of doubt you hear is a test, not of your capability, but of your clarity. Whether you respond with silence, success, or strength. Remember, the world will doubt you until it has no choice but to applaud you. Keep going. Keep believing. Let your journey be your answer. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content. Smart preparation. Real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.